Christmas to you, and it got here. This is the continuation of my beginning video on looking for the #1 present for my wife, and this appears to be the most sought after present of the season. It is the Shark Ninja Foodie, and it is a in-house grill. This is the beginner's cookbook that comes with it. You can grill with it. You can there's five things that you can do with this thing, and it is called the Shark Ninja Foodie. All kinds of stuff that come with it. That's the, what is this thing? That's the griddle. Get a griddle with it. A loaf pan. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. They even sent an express chopper goes with it. A little veggie tray. These are the dehydrator stands. These are all accessories that come with this, because I'm going to look forward to we're making some good old jerky out of that. Skewer stabs. What do you call them here? Skewers. Tray. And I went and got her some cooking mitts. Very important. I can't tell you what's in this one. Well, it's another little cooking pot. I'm not sure which one it's for, but we will find out when she unboxes it. Wait. Okay, and here's another multi-purpose pan. All right, and here we go. This is the man here. Yep. That is it. That's what it looks like in the drawing. Now this thing came below this with a cleaning brush. And there's 5 different things you can do with this thing. Steams. Let's see. I can tell you what all the combinations are. But it grills. That's the whole thing. It grills. It dehydrates. This thing does all kinds of things. Grilling, snacks and appetizers, but makes burgers. It crisps. It's a deep fryer. oilless fryer. So it does all kinds of things. So this is the number one, and really hard to find. So if you're looking for it, oh, there it goes. Grill, sears, sizzles, air fries, and dehydrates. So if you're looking for a present for your wife or your husband, if he's a cooker, this is what you might want to look into. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next. I just bought it for my wife for Christmas. And happy holidays to everyone.